The world has fundamentally changed. In the last 5 years, society has transformed and digitalized faster than the last 100 years combined. How you view change, new technology, new ways of operating will determine your future readiness. Change is the only constant. Business as usual is obsolete, and that's a good thing. For over 20 years, I have led successful transformation for some of the world's largest companies. As an innovator from Silicon Valley, I see this as an opportunity to take a step back from the expectations and build something new. Think differently, break free from outdated thinking. Future readiness starts with identifying your purpose. What do you really want to achieve in life? What is the most important goal your team and your company are moving towards? Then, giving space to openly explore, ask questions, try things, see what feels right. Everything is evolving by the second. Try something small. Try it with clear expectations. This is how we're going to measure it over the next 2 weeks, month. If it works, great, we do more. If it doesn't, we don't. AI is a tool, and it's up to us, intelligent, committed people, to figure out how we're going to use it to solve problems and achieve our purpose. Just like a knife, that if you put it in the hands of somebody with negative intent, it can hurt somebody. It's simply a question of how you utilize this tool. To build that into success for yourself, it takes an understanding of the power of AI with people as the real winners. Because when you align an individual's purpose and passion with the company's purpose and passion, that's a win-win. People are the key. The technology is the supporting factor. The future is here. Don't wait.